Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is a correction video of Kehuni Chakra, that is elbow rotation. I shot this video and shared it with you all 3 years back in the series of Pavan Mukta Asan. And this is from Pavan Mukta Asan 1. So this is how I told you, I shared that Kehuni Chakra should be done as it is cited in the book. If you can see the image showed and the direction in which the rotation is done seems very similar to how I'm performing. But when you read the description of the practice, you get to know that this is not matching with the description given. So in this video, I'm going to share the correct way of doing it, which will go exactly how it is depicted, how it is written in the book. So I'm just reading the description of it and you'll see it will exactly match with the movement. Remain in the base position or a cross-legged position. Stretch the right arm in front of the body at shoulder level. Right hand can be open or loosely closed. Support the right arm with the left hand. Bend the right arm at the elbow, rotating the elbow joint so that the lower arm and hand move clockwise. Keep the upper arm steady and parallel to the floor. The movement should be smooth. The finger should almost touch the right shoulder as they move past. Now I'm repeating the same thing on the left side. Okay, keep the upper arm steady. Lower arm will be rotating from the elbow joint. As you inhale, move the arm up. As you bring the arm down, exhale. So inhale up, exhale down. 10 rounds clockwise. After that, 10 rounds anti-clockwise. So this is how Kehuni Chakra should be done. The whole confusion on this practice happens because the way it is described in the book and the way it is shown in the picture, it's quite different, because in description says that the upper arm should be parallel to the floor, but in the picture it is not. But I hope the movement is clear to you now, and I'm so sorry for posting this video late. Thank you so much. Namaste.